Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change kilometer to mile on Life360 app, so your driving stats show the correct speed unit. Now let's get started. First, launch the Life360 app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into your account so everything loads correctly. Now go to the driving section in the app. This is where your driving stats are displayed, like speed and distance. Next, close the app and open the Settings app on your iPhone. This is where you'll be able to change the system region. Scroll down and tap on General. It's usually near the top of the settings list. Then, tap on Language and Region. This section controls how your phone displays regional formats. Now tap on Region and choose the United States if you want to switch to miles per hour. Different regions use different measurement systems, so changing this setting updates it in Life360 too. Once you've changed the region, close Settings and relaunch the Life360 app. The speed units should now appear in miles per hour. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tips.